Welcome back to Fuzzy App. I'm so glad you're here because today I'll walk you through adding your YouTube channel link to your Instagram profile step by step. Oh, and if you're wondering how to get your YouTube channel link, I've already got a video just for that. It's linked in the description below, so be sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about why this is such a game changer. Adding your YouTube channel link to Instagram isn't just practical, it's like rolling out the red carpet for your followers. Whether you're a creator, a business owner, or just someone who loves sharing their journey, this makes it so much easier for people to dive into your content. Ready? Let's jump in. Open your Instagram app and go to your profile page. Excited? You should be. You're about to make your profile pop. Tap on Edit Profile, that handy button right under your bio. From the menu, select Add Links, then tap Add External Link. In the URL field, paste your YouTube channel link. In the title field, add a name like YouTube channel or whatever you'd like. Finally, tap Save in the top right corner. And just like that, you've linked your YouTube channel to your Instagram profile. Boom! Let's test it out. Tap the link in your bio and see how seamlessly it connects to your YouTube channel. Isn't that amazing? Now, your audience is just one tap away from binging your amazing videos. Here's what's really cool. This feature works for any link, whether it's your website, a blog, another social platform, or even an event page. You can add whatever you want. Quick pro tip. If you've got more than one link to share, don't sweat it. Tools like Linktree or Canva's bio link feature are lifesavers. They let you organize multiple links into one clickable page. This way, you're not just adding value, you're elevating your profile's look and functionality. Plus, it's so easy to set up. You're all set now. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell icon to stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep creating, keep sharing, and I'll see you in the next one.